Good morning, students. Today we have to start sphere. Till now we have completed cuboid, cube, cylinder and cone. And today we are going to start sphere. Today I will tell you how to calculate the surface area of sphere. You can see here I am using a ball. This ball type structure is known as sphere. So surface area of sphere is written as 4 pi r square. If suppose this ball is cut into two halves, each part will be giving you hemisphere. You will get a structure of this kind, hemisphere. Look at this, since it is just half of the sphere, curved surface area portion, this portion will be just half of 4 pi r square, which is 4 pi r square by 2, that is 2 pi r square. But if we will have to calculate the total surface area of the sphere, we will have to calculate the curved surface area portion also plus this base area. Base area is in the form of circle. So, total surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square plus pi r square. This pi r square is the base of the hemisphere. So, when you add these two, you will have 3 pi r square. So, total surface area or curved surface area of a sphere is only pi r square, because sphere is having only one surface, this round portion. It doesn't have any other surface. So, either curved surface area you have to calculate of sphere or total surface area, it's 4 pi r square. But hemisphere, curved surface area is 2 pi r square and total surface area is 3 pi r square. Now, we will see some questions based on this. So students, let us start exercise 13.4. First question of which says, find the surface area of a sphere of radius. First question is 10.5 cm. Radius is given 10.5 cm. So easily we can calculate its surface area by the formula 4 pi r square. 4 pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 10.5 into 10.5. When you solve this, you will get 1386 cm square as its surface area. Similarly, question number 2 also, find the surface area of a sphere of diameter 14 cm. Diameter is given 14, so you can calculate radius as 7 cm. We can calculate its surface area also by using the same formula 4 pi r square, but at the place of r you will put 7 cm. So few more questions are given of this kind. You will do that. I am going to question number 3. Question number 3 says, find the total surface area of a hemisphere of radius 10 cm. Here we have to use the value of pi as 3.14. Just I have shown you hemisphere of radius 10 cm. If we have to calculate its total surface area, then we have to add this 2 pi r square with the top area pi r square. So it is total 3 pi r square. When you put the value of pi as 3.14 and value of radius as 10 into 10, this 10 will get cancelled with this 0. When you multiply 314 into 3, you will get 942 cm square as its total surface area. Question number 4 says, the radius of a spherical balloon increases from 7 cm to 14 cm as air is being pumped into it. Find the ratio of the surface area of the balloon in these two cases. You see here, first I have made a balloon which is of radius 7 cm. Once air is being pumped, then definitely the balloon will be inflated and it will be having radius 14 cm. Question is to find the ratio of the surface area of the balloons. So here I wrote surface area of the balloon before pumped divided by surface area of the balloon after pumped. So surface area of the balloon pumped, before pumped or after pumped? After pumped. The structure of the balloon is not changing. In both the cases, balloon is in the form of a sphere only. The surface area of balloon before pumped is 4 pi r1 square. In that case, r we will take 7 cm. And surface area of the balloon after pumped 4 pi r2 square, where r2 I will take 14 cm. This 4 we can cancel, pi also cancel. r1 square is 7 into 7 divided by r2 square is 14 into 14. We can cancel like this and we will get the ratio 1:4. So 1:4 is the ratio between the surface area of the balloon before pumped and after pumped. Question number 5 says, a hemispherical bowl made up of brass has inner diameter 10.5 centimeter. We have to find the cost of tin plating it on the inside at the rate of rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. So here you can see I have made a brass bowl in which the inner portion we have to paint. Inner diameter is given 10.5 centimeter, so inner radius will be definitely 10.5 by 2 centimeter. So since we have to paint only inner portion, so we will calculate inner curved surface area. So inner curved surface area will be 2 pi r square, 2 into 22 by 7, radius 10.5 by 2. By removing the decimal, we can put here 0. Here also we can put 0. Now it is given that rupees 16 is the cost of 100 centimeter square. So we can write cost of 100 centimeter square is rupees 16. So definitely cost of 1 centimeter square will be 16 by 100. If this we will multiply with the inner curved surface area, we will get the cost of painting the inner wall of the brass bowl. When you multiply this with 16 by 100, you will get rupees 27.72 rupees as the cost of painting. Question number 6 says, find the radius of a sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. Here surface area of the sphere is given to you 154 centimeter square and we have to find the radius. We can calculate it by using the formula 4 pi r square, which is the surface area of sphere. So pi is 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 154. If I leave r square this side, that side we will get 154 multiplied by 7. This 7 will go in the numerator, divided by 4 into 22. If I remove the square sign, we will get under root of 154 into 7 by 4 into 22. If you will cancel this 22 and 154, you will get 7 over here. So it is under root 7 into 7 divided by 4 can be written 2 into 2, which will come out as 7 by 2, or it is 3.5 centimeter. Question number 7 says, the diameter of a moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. Question is to find the ratio of their surface areas. According to the question, diameter of moon is 1/4 of diameter of earth. So diameter of moon can we write twice into radius of moon is equal to 1/4. Diameter of earth can be written as twice of radius of earth. This 2 can get cancelled from both the sides. We are left with radius of moon is equal to 1/4 of radius of earth. Now we have to find the ratio of the surface area. So here I wrote surface area of moon divided by surface area of earth. Surface area of moon is 4 pi r of moon square divided by 4 pi radius of earth square. This 4 and pi will get cancelled. So we are left with radius of moon square divided by radius of earth square. Radius of moon just now we have calculated, it is 1/4 of radius of earth, which we can substitute at the place of radius of moon. It will become 1/4 of radius of earth square divided by radius of earth square. So 1/4 into 1/4 is 1/16 radius of earth. This 16 will come in the denominator, and denominator we have radius of earth whole square, which can get cancelled, and we are left with the ratio 1:16. Question number 8 says, a hemispherical bowl is made up of steel 0.25 centimeter thick. The inner radius of the bowl is 5 centimeter. Find the outer curved surface area of the bowl. Here I have made a hemispherical bowl in which the thickness I took 0.25 centimeter. Inner radius is given 5 centimeter. So definitely outer radius will be 5 plus 0.25, which I have written here. Inner radius as 5 centimeters. So outer radius will be 5.25 centimeter. Outer curved surface area of the bowl also having the surface area is 2 pi r square. Simply by putting at the place of radius 5.25 centimeter, we can calculate its outer curved surface area. So if we will calculate, it will come 173.25 centimeter square. Question number 9 of this exercise says, a right circular cylinder just encloses a sphere of radius r. We have to find the surface area of the sphere, curved surface area of the cylinder, and ratio of area obtained in 1 and 2. You can see this is the diagram given to you. This sphere is just enclosing the cylinder. So height of the cylinder is from here to here, which is equal to the diameter of the sphere. Diameter of the sphere is 2r, which is equal to height of the cylinder, and radius of a sphere is equal to the radius of cylinder. You can see both can be taken as r. So first, in which we have to calculate the surface area of the sphere. Surface area of the sphere is easily, it is 4 pi r square. Curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH. So 2 pi as it is, r, and at the place of h, can we write 2r? So it is 2 into 2 will be 4 pi r square. So what we can see, surface area of the sphere and curved surface area of the cylinder, both are coming same, 4 pi r square. Question number 3 says, find the ratio of the area obtained in 1 and 2. If you will divide 4 pi r square divided by 4 pi r square, what you will get? Will it come 1:1? So this is the answer of question number 9. So this way we have completed exercise 13.4. So students, you will complete exercise 15D of R.S. Agarwal book. So your homework is exercise 15D of R.S. Agarwal book. So students, happy Diwali to all of you. Enjoy your holidays. Enjoy Diwali. Stay safe, stay healthy, and complete exercise 15D. Thank you so much.